हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम मैथ्स की वर्कशीट 52 करेंगे विच इज ऑन लेंथ ऑफ एन आर्क। नाउ एज यू ऑल नो व्हाट इज एन आर्क। आप इस फिगर में देख रहे हैं एक सर्कल है और इसका हमने एक सेक्टर लिया है। अब सेक्टर में क्या क्या चीजें होती हैं? सेक्टर में दो रेडियाई होते हैं और एक आर्क होती है। अब इस आर्क की हमें अगर लेंथ निकालनी हो तो कैसे निकालेंगे? अब आप देख रहे हैं कि ये जो आर्क है ये पूरे सरकमफ्रेंस का कुछ पार्ट है। अब वो कितना पार्ट है उसी से हम लेंथ ऑफ आर्क निकालेंगे। नाउ यू कैन सी दैट दिस लेंथ ऑफ आर्क इज थीटा बाय 360 पार्ट ऑफ द होल सरकमफ्रेंस, यानी पूरे सरकमफ्रेंस का थीटा अपॉन 360th पार्ट है this length of arc. So this is the formula for finding the length of arc. Now let's do example 1. In this example, there is a circle of radius 21 centimeters and an arc which subtends 60 degrees at the center. Angle of 60 degrees at the center. You have to find the length of this arc. Now here we have r equals to 21 centimeter, theta equals to 60 degrees, and we will apply the formula for finding the length of arc. L equals to theta by 360 into 2 pi r. Now putting the value of theta as 60 degrees and value of pi will take 22 by 7 and r is 21. So after simplification you will get the answer 22. So the length of arc will be 22 centimeters. So this is the first example. Now let's do example number 2. Here we have a wire of length 20 centimeter and this wire is bent to form an arc which is subtending an angle of 90 degrees at the center, and you have to find the radius of this circle. So here we have L equals to 20 centimeter, theta equals to 90 degrees and R we have to find. Now again we will apply the formula length of arc, that is L equals to theta upon 360 into 2 pi r. Now here we are given the length of arc. So we are putting the value of L as 20 and the value of theta is 90 and we are taking the value of pi as 3.14 and we have to find the R. So after simplification you will get the value of R as 12.73 centimeter. Now in the third example we have a sector of a circle whose radius is 36 centimeter and area of this sector is 42 pi centimeter square. We have to find the length of the corresponding arc of this sector, that is L. We have to find the L here. So here we have R equals to 36 centimeter. Now we will apply the formula of area of sector, which is theta by 360 into pi r square. Now area of sector is 42 pi and theta is not given to us. We have to find the theta first. So putting the value of R here, after simplification we get the value of theta as 35 upon 3 degrees. So now we have theta also, we have got radius of this circle also. Now we will apply the formula for length of arc, that is L equals to theta upon 360 into 2 pi r. Now here we are putting theta as 35 upon 3 and value of r is 36. So after simplification we get the length of arc as 7.33 centimeters.